Alright, so I do have the car jacked up already on all fours. Go ahead and disconnect the battery and remove it. So with the battery removed, I'm actually going to go ahead and take off the exhaust first, so I can just get it out the way. I've actually taken this off before. I've done an auto to manual conversion. I don't need WD-40. If you haven't taken yours off before, I would recommend putting WD-40. Just go ahead and take off these bolts right here. Pretty easy. Now, some people might have this still bolted in right here. I took it off because, I mean, you don't really need it. Go ahead and take these off now. And these little spring ones too. Don't forget about the O2 sensor. It should be right there. That wire hanging right here. Don't forget about that, otherwise you're gonna fuck your wiring. So I went ahead and got this off. There's actually 2 mounts, and then there's another one. Well, it just ripped. Where is it at? Right there. So go ahead and take, the only thing that's left is to take it off those mounts. 1 and 2, right there, yeah. I'm gonna do the shift linkage right there. Take that out. Let the tranny fluid drain. Ooh. Just gonna go ahead and plug that up. And just snug. So I have the shift linkage here, taken off. I already took off the reverse sensor. Next, I am going to start to take off the axles, along with the torque mount. These ones up top, all 3 of those. So I've already just went ahead and took everything out because, as you guys can see, it's getting kind of dark. Instead of just sitting here and explaining everything, I just went ahead and just did it all. I have this hung up. Also have this hung up, the power steering and the AC. I already wrote on it all, so I know where it goes. And yeah, let me just go get this thing on the crane. It's pretty dark outside, even though it's like barely 5:30. But just got it out. It took me like 4 hours. But yeah, about to get all this cleaned up. Come back tomorrow. Debating whether to paint the engine bay or not. It's a lot of wiring and stuff. I will see though. So it's the next day. I'm gonna prep the engine bay for paint. I'm gonna delete the ABS. I'm gonna delete the cruise control. Just finished rerouting the headlights. Coming out pretty clean. Finally took this bullshit out.
Look at how much cleaner.
Hell, that looks better with a little. Still need to tuck this side, but tomorrow gonna clean, degrease all this shit, get it prepped, hopefully start painting it, primer, maybe a couple base coats, and then Saturday, Sunday gotta work. Come back Monday, do some more shit.